This class is for those who want to learn to sing from scratch. I am Natalia Bliss, singer, pianist and vocal technique teacher, and it is the #1 singing class. In this class, I teach you the first steps to learn how to sing well. You will need a string. You don't have to lean forward like that. Try singing this note. Canta conmigo. Today we're going to focus on 3 key points of vocal technique like relaxation, breathing and projection of our voice. It's the solid foundation of your healthy vocal technique. Another important step is to check if you have the musical ear. We're going to do a little test. First, I'm going to play 5 different notes and I'm going to try to reproduce those notes with my voice. Sometime I'm going to sing the note correctly and sometime I'm going to sing out of tune. I want you to write me in comments which of these 5 notes I sang well and which one I sang out of tune.
Primera nota.
Write me in comments which of these 5 notes I got right and which I didn't, according to your opinion. Now I want you to sing and check if you have a musical ear. For that you can use my free tuner, which is on my website. Choose the tuner section. You have to give permission for the app to work on your mobile or your computer. I will play a note with the keyboard and I will tell you what this note is called. For example, that is D4. Try play this note with the tuner and you will see if you are getting it right or not. For example, that's D4. If I'm out of tune, it'll show me another note. This way you can check if you're in tune or not. Let's start. Then for the male voice, I play an F3. Try play this note.
F3.
If you're for the female voice, an F4. Try singing this note with the tuner. Note number 2. For the male voice, it's a D3. Sing this note with the tuner. For the female voice, it's a D4.
Vamos, chicas.
How about it? Write me in comments which of these notes did you get right. Step 1. Relaxation. Make sure your posture is correct. Your back should be straight, your neck should be straight. You should not be like this. You can be either sitting or standing. Make sure your jaw is totally relaxed. Imagine that it was the dentist who pricked you and you don't feel anything. Your jaw is totally dead. You can say
Bla, 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 bla.
You have to keep your jaw relaxed on all vowels.
Todas las vocales. A, E, I, O, U.
When inhaling or singing, make sure your neck is still straight. You don't have to lean forward, like this, or backwards. Imagine you are a wooden doll hanging from the head up. Step number 2. The breath. I would say this is the most important step for any singer. You will need a rope. It can be a belt, a ribbon. It's important that it's not elastic. It's not to tighten you, but to take the movement with awareness. You have to tie the ribbon at the height of your ribs. Now the goal is to inhale without lifting your chest or lifting your shoulders, but try to expand your ribs, both on the right side and even on your back. My teacher always told me, you have to feel like a donut. And I want you to keep this image in your head. You have to feel like a donut that expands as you inhale. Try it with me. Inhale, let go.
Suelta.
And now on the exhale, try to keep your ribs open as long as possible. Then we inhale, expanding, and on the exhale, Try to keep those ribs open. Now, let's exhale with one sound. Inhale.
Inhalamos. Otra.
Inhale. Don't make this mistake. Don't close up right away. Don't do this. Do not do this, because this way you will notice that the cord has loosened right away. You have to feel how this tape tightens when you inhale and stays tight when you are exhaling. Now we are going to do a breathing exercise. We inhale once and repeat 4 times like this.
Luego sh, 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 sh. Luego f, 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 f. Y el quinto es f. S, 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 sh, 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 sh. F, 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 f.
Inhale.
S, 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 sh, 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 sh. F, 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 f. Aire. Ahora tú, vamos. S, sh, f, f, y manténlo.
Inhale.
S, 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 sh, 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 f, 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 f. Otra vez, tú, vamos. S, sh, f, f. Muy bien.
You can repeat this exercise for 2 or 3 minutes to become aware of your breathing. Remember, when we inhale, we expand, and when we exhale, we try to keep the ribs as long as possible, and we do not leave the chest. We do not create any tension in the shoulders or the neck. Write me in comments. What do you find most difficult when singing? Maybe you get stuck in the air quickly, or you find it difficult to sing the high notes.
A, E, I, O, U.
The vowels we have to sing in a relaxed way. The mouth has to be loose.
A, E, I, O, U.
We never have to tense up.
A, E, I, O, U.
The sound has to be rounded and relaxed.
A, E, I, O, U.
We are going to sing the exercise.
Mi, me, mamo, mi, me, mamo, mi, me, mamo, mu.
All the videos and exercises on my YouTube channel are free, so if you want to support me, subscribe to this YouTube channel, activate the little bell. You can also leave me any comments, doubts or questions, and also follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. The male voice is going to start here, and the female voice is going to start here. Come on now, you.
Bien, inhalamos. Mi, me, mamo, mi, me, mamo, mi, me, mamo, mu. Muy bien, y sigue. Mi, me, mamo, mi, me, mamo, mu. Inhalamos.
The male voice here.
Aquí. Aire. Inhalamos. Más. Mi, me, mamo, mi, me, mamo, mi, me, mamo, mu. Repite.
voice here. And the female voice here.
Un poco más, inhala. Aire. Mi, me, mamo, mi, me, mamo, mi, me, mamo, mu. Sigue. Y un poquito más.
We continue with the stretching exercise to stretch our vocal cords and make them elastic. Let's practice the lip trill exercise. If you still can't get it, you can substitute it with r, or you can even do this ugly way. But this exercise is also useful. Let's sing with the glissando, sliding smoothly from one note to another. That sounds like this. As you can see, I'm also using my head register, my high register. Don't force everything with your chest voice. Don't do this. The male voice is going to start here and the female voice here. Let's take a good breath.
Vamos. Ahora tú. Inhalamos, vamos.
Come on now, you.
Inhalamos. Aire, vamos. Con una voz relajada. Sigue. Y un poquito más. Un sonido pequeño, infantil. Vamos. La voz masculina canta aquí. La voz femenina aquí. Y seguimos. Vamos hacia abajo ahora. Y un poco más. Muy bien.
Now we practice the exercises to relax our jaw and vocalize at the same time. Let's sing.
Ya, 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 yo, 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 you, yeah, yeah, ye.
It sounds like this.
Ya, 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 yo, 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 you, yeah, yeah, ye.
The male voice starts here and the female voice starts here. Inhale well.
Ya, 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 yo, 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 you, yeah, yeah, ye. Respiramos. Ya, 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 yo, 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 you, yeah, yeah, ye. Ahora tú, vamos. Y sigue. Vamos. Ya, yo, you, yeah, ye. Sigue. Ya, 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 yo, 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 you, yeah, yeah, ye. Ahora tú.
finally, we practice the exercises for powerful singing. Don't be afraid to sound loud. Imagine you are calling someone far away and you say, "Hey."
Hey! Hola!
Try to be in a place where you can sound powerful without being afraid. Let's make a trumpet sound.
Pa para pa 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 pa.
The male voice starts here and the female voice starts here.
Pa para pa 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 pa. Pa para pa 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 pa.
Now you.
Vamos. Pa para pa 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 pa. Repite. Sigue. Aire. Pa para pa 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 pa. Sin miedo. Ahora tú. Aire. Pa para pa 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 pa. Otra vez. Aire. Y un poquito más. Pa para pa 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 pa. Tú. Sigue. Activos. Vamos. Pa para pa 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 pa. Tú. Y un poquito más. Y una más.
I also recommend you my free playlist, How to Learn to Sing in 30 Days. I leave it here in the corner. It's my English channel. You also have my channel available in Spanish, Natalia Bliss, Clases de Canto desde cero. I hope you enjoyed my video. Keep practicing and improving your vocal technique and enjoy your voice. See you!